In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit your WooCommerce cart page and make it more user-friendly and visually appealing for your customers. Start by heading to your WordPress admin dashboard and navigating to Pages. Find your cart page and click to open it. You'll see the default WooCommerce cart shortcode or block in place. Don't worry, we are going to replace it to unlock more customization options. Remove the existing block carefully. It won't affect functionality. Next, open the block inserter, usually marked with a plus sign, and search for the WooCommerce cart block. Add it to your page and it will slot in neatly, ready for customization. On the block editor sidebar, you will find all the options to tailor your page. Start with the cart items table, adjusting how products display so they align with your brand. Then customize the coupon section to control visibility and usability for your customers. Move on to the cart totals, ensuring taxes, discounts, and fees are displayed clearly. Don't forget to explore cross-sells, which can highlight related products and boost your average order value. Finally, play around with layout and style options to make the page visually attractive and easy to navigate. And that's it. By following these steps, you can create a seamless, engaging shopping experience on your WooCommerce cart page.